Hello, welcome back to Bell's Learning Corner Reading F. Today we are going to talk about Fran will fix it. Meet a magic fairy named Fran. She uses her wand to fix things. This girl needs a fancy dress. I can fix that, says Fran. Fran waves her wand. She makes the girl a fancy dress. Oh, yes. This frog wants to be a prince. I can fix that, says Fran. Fran waves her wand, then she drops it. Oh no. Look, the wand is bent. Will it still work? Fran waves her wand. She turns the frog into a poodle. Oh no! Fran waves her wand again. She turns the poodle into a puddle. Oh no! Fran waves her wand again. She turns the poodle into a pickle. Oh no! What will I do? Cries Fran. I can fix your wand, says the pickle. You see, the pickle was magic too. The pickle waves his wand. He makes Fran's wand as good as new. Oh, yes. Thank you, cries Fran. Now, what can I do for you? What about you turn me into a prince, says the pickle. Okay, says Fran. She waves her wand. She turns the pickle into a prince. Oh, yes. Then the prince marries the girl in a fancy dress. Oh, yes. Then Fran makes them a great big castle to live in. Oh, yes. Thank you. That is for today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.